Fel rhan o ymweliad Rosemary Butler ac Llywydd Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru a rhanbarth Dwyrain De Cymru, cafodd pobl ifanc o Went gyfle i'w holi. Cyfarfu am myfyrwyr Bagloriaeth Cymru yng nghampws Coleg Gwent ym Mhontypŵl, ac aelodau glwb ieuenctid Cold Barn Farm yng nghanolfan ieuenctid a gweithgareddau Cold Barn Farm yn Rhefddyn.
Who decides that there's going to be a road that way? Who decides where the park is going to be? Who decides whether there's going to be a football field down the road? I mean, that's politics, that's grassroots politics.
Mae'r ymweliad hwn yn rhan o amgylch barhaus y Llywydd i annog pobl ifanc i gymryd rhan yn y gwaith mae'r cynulliad yn ei wneud, o ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru gyfrif a gwneud deddfau i Gymru.
Not everybody knows what we're doing. A lot of people haven't been to the Assembly, so we need to encourage people, particularly in this area, to come to the Assembly. But talking to them today, a whole range of issues have come up, and I'm really impressed with how they begin to think about what it means to get involved in politics.
Yn ystod ei thrafodaethau, tynnodd y Llywydd sylw at system ddeisebu'r cynulliad a gofynnodd i'r bobl ifanc am ffyrdd y gallai'r cynulliad ymgysylltu'n well â hwy.
I really enjoyed meeting the presiding officer because it showed that she was really passionate about her job and that she actually wants to see what the youth have got to say, and she's not just taking the view of the adults.
A lot of people feel that if we get involved in politics, then we're able to help ourselves and we can't complain if any decisions we make go wrong.
Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd i gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, i ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac i ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru i gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac i ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch i cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch chi'n dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter.